Okay guys, so I want to go over some link building software. This one is called GSA Search Engine Ranker, or for short just GSA. And what this is basically an automatic link building software. And if you remember, in the beginning of the course I told you that automatic link building tools are not that good, and they're also a bit black hat and not very safe. So I wouldn't recommend this very much. So why am I talking about this here if it's no good? Basically, GSA builds a lot of links. And the good thing about GSA is that you can build 100,000, 500,000 or a million links in a short period of time. And of course, you should not point these links directly to your money site because of the low quality. These links are meant to be pointed to your tier 2 links. Okay, so let's say you have your money site on there on top. These GSA links are meant to be pointed to your tier 1 links or to your tier 2 links. So for example, let's say your tier 1 links are social profiles or citations, for example. You'd be pointing GSA to those links. So let's say you have a Yelp citation, for example, you'd be blasting that Yelp citation with GSA links, with a bunch of GSA links. And that's it, it's simple. But what are the main benefits? The biggest one, and perhaps the only benefit of using GSA nowadays, is to try and index links a bit quicker. So just like I talked in a couple of videos before, you do have tiered link building where it makes sense in a way that the power is transferred. So for example, if you build quality tier 2 links to your tier 1 links, it will make those tier 1 links more powerful. In the case of GSA, if you point GSA links to your tier 1 links or tier 2 links, it won't actually make them more powerful. It will only help them index faster. So the idea with GSA is that it doesn't actually make your links stronger, it just helps them index a little bit faster. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't usually use this very much. Just once in a while when I want to force the indexing of a link, or when after a while a link is not indexing, I'll make a blast of links, and by blast I mean I send thousands of GSA links to that same link to try and force an indexation. I know this was a short video, but I wanted to let you know and to be aware that GSA exists and what it is, because many times people associate quantity with quality. So they start building GSA links and pointing them directly to their site, which is completely wrong. I see a ton of people selling GSA links on Fiverr. Of course, they don't say they are GSA links, but they say, I will build 100,000 links to your site. And people think, oh wow, 100,000 links? Damn, I'm gonna be #1 in a week, because people associate quantity with quality, and that's not the case, at least when it comes to GSA links. And yeah, that being said, next video.